Hello, my name is Pamela Curry, and I'm a technical sales resource with IBM Hybrid Cloud. This video is about simplification of operations using IBM Operations Analytics, Predictive Insights. If in your searches on the word Predictive Insight or IBM Cognitive Analytics, you've come across this video, perhaps you don't realize that this product, Predictive Insights, is part of the IBM Operations portfolio that includes products such as IBM NetCool Operations Insight with components NetCool Omnibus that this product is also based on, as well as other products like IBM Tivoli Network Manager or Tivoli NetCool Configuration Manager. Although these are all part of the portfolio, today this video is about Operational Analytics Predictive Insights. The chief challenge for most network operation teams today. It's what it's always been, reducing mean time to repair. 35% of the time, a user's calling you, telling you that the service or application they're using is having some issues. So any reduction in that mean time to repair means reduced operational cost as well as improved operational efficiency. And whereas Predictive Insight does take aim at reducing mean time to repair, with its out-of-the-box cognitive insights, we're really trying to get to that mean time to identify, mean time to know much quicker in such a way that perhaps the incident can be avoided altogether. So what is IBM Operations Analytics Predictive Insights? As I mentioned, it's cognitive. It's a product with a learning ability, based on some of the work that IBM Research did on the Watson project. Predictive Insights requires no tuning or configuration. And it also does not rely on service models or topologies that will require maintenance work or quickly become obsolete. The system at its core proactively identifies metrics and key performance indicators outside of the normal operating range or normal operating behavior for your systems and applications. And it identifies relationships between these metrics. So what it's doing for you is getting away from manual threshold maintenance. It's learning from the way that your system behaves as to how it should behave or how it should expect it to behave, and then identifying things that occur outside of that normal behavior. Outside of the normal behavior becomes an anomaly, and so alerting to the anomaly as opposed to waiting for that call or some service impacting outage to happen. So moving there from reactive to a proactive kind of stance. It's available on-prem as well as SaaS and supports heterogeneous environments. So what does it look like? You can access what Predictive Insights has discovered using the IBM Tivoli NetCool Omnibus Dashboard Application Services Hub by choosing Incident, Events, Detected Anomalies. Once in the event list produced by Predictive Insights, you can sort or filter based on severity much as you can other events within other parts of NetCool. But more interestingly, you can choose a particular event, right mouse click, for instance this connection pool size, and choose Service Diagnosis to find more information about what Predictive Insights has discovered about this metric. You can see at the bottom the connection pool size, the resource that it's on, that it's anomalous, and the actual and expected values are represented. But more importantly and graphically, it shows you where the anomaly began. So over time, this metric has been variable, operating within the green here, always. And although today it still operates within the green, its behavior is different. It's become very flat, indicating that some limit has been reached. Upon returning to the Detected Anomalies page, you can choose another item. Response time is higher than expected. Pop-up Help tells you when the anomaly started and finished occurring. The chart below shows the actual and expected value with the actual value in excess of 8 seconds. Zooming in on the chart and the red anomalous area gives you a more granular view of the anomaly. If this customer had an SLA of response time of 8 seconds, you can see with this graph that Predictive Insights would have given you a 6-hour heads up of an impending problem. Upon returning to the Detected Anomalies tab, for our final anomaly, let's pick an item where related events were consolidated on 2 metrics. A right mouse click gets you to the service diagnosis. Here, pull hit ratio for my database is mapped along with response time for my web service. This relationship was discovered automatically without any configuration or service or topology mapping. Pull hit ratio has gone down dramatically while response time has gone up. Zooming in on the graphical representation can give you more granular information about the metrics. Here it becomes very obvious as pull hit ratio declines, response time increases. And while response time can degrade slightly, even without a change to pull hit ratio, Predictive Insights understands there are many factors at play in enterprise systems and takes these relationships into account when building its model. I hope you've enjoyed this short video on IBM Operations Analytics, Predictive Insights. For more information, see our developer site.